Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your privacy on Facebook and how you can make your account private completely. So guys, I'm going to go through step-by-step tutorial and show you everything you need to know and how you can actually make your account private. So basically what you need to do is to go to these three lines in the upper right corner. So after it you need to find settings, just scroll down, and as you can see here are settings and privacy, so click on it and go to settings. So what you need to do after this, scroll down a bit and find audience and visibility. So basically here we are having profile info, how people can find and contact you, posts, stories, reels, and so on and so forth, but how you can make your posts and profile private. So just by clicking on the posts, as you can see, we are having a question, who can see your future posts? When you click on it, we are having public, friends. Friends accept these ones, specific friends, and only me. So if you want your account to be private, you can just press on only me or friends, or choose one of these other two options. Friends accept some of the friends, and specific friends, which you can choose manually. So that's the way how your posts can be private. And basically when you go to profile info, you can also change it over here. So basically, as you can see, the places where you live, schools, and so on and so forth, the process is the same, but you just need to go manually through all of them and change who can see. So again, if you want your posts to change the visibility of your posts, click on it, go to who can see your future posts, and over here when click on the see all, basically you can easily change who can actually see your posts and your future posts. The bad thing is that you need to go manually, and basically that's it for today's video guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.